All right, in this arithmetic sequences and series problem is asking what are the three arithmetic means between 3 and -2. So what you want to do is set up your two numbers, 13 and -2, 13 and -2, and you will leave 3 blanks between the two. Your first term is 13, so a sub 1 is 13. Your second term you would get by adding the common difference d to 13, so a sub 2 equals 13 plus d. Your third term you would get by adding 13 plus 2 times the common difference, which is 13 plus 2d. The fourth term would be 3 times the common difference plus 13. And then your fifth term, which would be 13 plus 4 times the common difference, or 13 plus 4d. Now, if you look at your actual sequence, you can see that the fifth term actually is -2. So we can use that to set up our equation and solve for our unknown, which is d, because that's what we need to find the other members of our sequence. So, -2 is a sub 5. And it is equal to 13 plus 4d. So now we're solving for d. And d, let's see, we're going to subtract 13 on both sides. We have -15 equals 4d. And then we divide by 4 on both sides. So then we have -15 divided by 4, which is equal to d. And if we put that into our calculator, this would be like -7 divided by 2, so that would be -3.5, which will be our common difference. Now, once we have our common difference, what we have to do is add that to 13, and then keep adding that so we can get our other terms. So, for the first one, 13 minus 3.5 would be 9.5. So our second term would be 9.5. All right, to get our third term, let's see, that would be 13 plus 2 times d. 2 times -3.5 is -7. So 13 plus -7 would be 6. All right, and then the next one would be 13 plus 3 times -3.5. And that's going to be, let's see, 2.5. All right, and then if you keep on subtracting the common difference, you'll see that it'll give you -2. So our three arithmetic means between 13 and -2 would be 9.5, 6, and 2.5. And you're done.